Hello.
But if you close your eyes,
So, today when I was at Walmart, I was in the cat aisle because I needed to get cat food for my cats, and I had this brilliant idea. Let's wash them. So, today I'm going to be giving my cats a bath. I don't know how it's gonna go, but we're gonna do it. Here's the game plan. Number one, first thing we're gonna do, fill the tub up with water. Then I'm going to lure my cats into the washroom with treats. Then I'm gonna get my bathing suit on. Then we're gonna throw them in and hopefully they don't scratch my face off. Okay, so I have my bathing suit on. So yeah. What am I doing? Hi. You ready? Are you ready? We'll have a bath? A bath? Leo. That's a yes. Okay, now I'm gonna go get the cats.
Fucking poor cats, man.
No, that's not how it works. Okay. Oh God, our first contestant. Close the door, Mom. He's gonna attack me. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh no. It's okay, Tutter.
That's why you needed to close the door.
Okay, close it. Ah, shit. Oh my God.
Get him.
Tutter, it's okay. No, you're so heavy. Oh my God, no, Tutter, ouch, give me a towel, ow, oh, oh my God. His thing's stuck. Throw me a towel.
There.
Give me a towel.
I got a towel.
No, for me, so he doesn't scratch me. Okay, so our first contestant. His claws are fucking sharp. So we had a rough start, but I think we're doing pretty good. Mom's in here for moral support while I'm washing my cat. Oh my God, Tutter, you're so cute. So I don't really know how to wash a cat.
Just wash them.
Oh, you're gorgeous. Oh my God, you're gonna get all the bitches after. I have a towel in here in case he decides to kill me. But, I mean, let's get your ass, because your ass usually smells. Tutter, you're beautiful. You love this. I want to see how your brother's going to react. Oh, no, close it. He sees an exit. Okay, no, Tutter. Wait, Tutter, let's get a thumbnail. Okay, there we go. We got a thumbnail. Thanks, Tutter. Oh my God, he's so cute. Mom, go get Leo. Oh shit. Ow! Oh, his claws! Tara, look at the camera. Tell the camera how you're feeling.
Wash him though. Now that you've done that, wash him.
How do you wash him?
Just wash him with soap and water.
True. Should I use body wash or shampoo?
Shampoo.
Okay, Tutter. It's now or never, buddy. I think this is the first time you've ever had a bath in your life, except for the one time I brought you in the bath and you attacked me. So I think this is going pretty good, if I do say so myself. Oh my gosh, have you ever seen a cat any cuter than this? He really wants out.
Tutter.
No, don't lure him out. What are you doing?
Tutter.
Mom, make an appearance.
Hi. Tutter.
Okay, no, photographs are for later. Oh my gosh, look at how cute you look. No, he sees the exit. Mom, close it. Ouch. I don't want him to leave me.
Well, I'm gonna go get the other one.
Okay, ow. Oh, frick. Okay, wait. But we can't because I don't want him to warn him. Okay, here. Tutter, be free. Ow! Oh, God. Be free, bitch. Oh,
Tutter.
you're so cute. Your turn, bitch. Okay, I'm going to get my cat. Number 2. Leo, come on. Okay, so as we've established, Leo didn't like bath time. So I think we're gonna end it here because I don't want to bleed any more than I already have. I'm so sorry, kitten. I love you. Okay, so I'm gonna end the video here because I need to clean up this situation. But thanks for watching if you did, and make sure that you like this because I just abused my cats. They're probably gonna hate me for a week for content. So yeah. Okay. Anyways, see you later. Bye.
But if you close your eyes.